So here are all 4 of my turtles. I got them all posed with the weapons in their hand. I have them assembled, and I have Rocksteady and Shredder. So let's just go over them one by one. Let's start with the ones which I suspect might be fake. We have Raphael, and here it looks like he's crying, which is kind of a nice touch because Raphael cries in the actual 1990 movie. He does cry, right? He does show a lot of emotion, especially in that scene with Splinter. So Raphael, although he's, very intense and aggressive, he's got a big heart. Of course, his feet are a different color from the rest of his body, and that's not cool. He may be fake, he may be real, I'm not 100% sure. I made another video asking people to help me identify whether he's fake or real. The other one I'm not so sure about is Michelangelo. So his head is a different color from his torso, his limbs are a different color from his torso, he's got this discoloration here, and I had a hard time posing Michelangelo. If you see he's leaning a little bit to the left, it was because I couldn't get both these feet on the plate properly. I suspect he might be fake, but he came with these nunchucks and he's ready to take on the Shredder. He's also in the video. If you're good at this kind of stuff and you know about this, maybe watch my other video and let me know if this Raphael and this Mikey are fake. Now the rest here, these other 4, they're definitely real. So here's Leo, he came in the 2-pack with Rocksteady. Nice katanas. Here's the back. He's got kind of an upside down V shape happening with Donatello, who's next. He's got a sideways V shape. It's like, there's wind blowing his bandana, so that's pretty cool. If you notice here with Donatello, his bow staff is white, it's wrapped in white. I would have liked to see that in purple, because Raphael has red on his sides, Michelangelo has orange, and Leonardo's katanas have blue, the handles are blue. So it would have been cool if Donatello had purple here instead of white. It would have been a nice accent. Okay, so next we have Rocksteady. With Rocksteady, if you were so inclined, you can take his helmet off, right? I just keep it on. I like him better with the helmet. I don't have Bebop. I thought Bebop was just... So he's got this giant gun here, and he's got his machete. Pretty cool. A lot of detail on Rocksteady. They did a good job on him. And finally, there's the Shredder. And notice his plate is different, which I talked about in the unboxing video. I didn't use the weapons that he came with. He came with these measly little plastic weapons that I didn't really appreciate very much. I gave him a staff. I got this staff from Gambit. I have a Gambit action figure, and I used it. I gave it to Shredder. And I gave him the staff because in the 1990 movie, he wipes the floor with the turtles with a staff. Now, the one he has in the movie has blades on the end. So this is just a regular bow staff with no blades on the end. But, he's very good with it, and he beat all 4 of the turtles in the 90 movie. I hope you enjoyed the video.